So you're telling me that in this big old year of 2026, you are not taking time out of your day every single day to decompress, to relax, to try and reduce a little bit of stress? Because we all know this world is stressful as hell. Well, yeah, me neither. Well, today I thought we would slow things down, have this little moment together, and I would do a fun unboxing where I can introduce you to a brand called Lifetherapy. Now, Lifetherapy is a newer brand to me for about 2 months now, I would say. And I can't tell you how much restraint I've had to have to not do a full unboxing already and not like dive into all these products, because the ones I have tried so far have been beautiful. So I've been like keeping it to myself just so I could do this video with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing and have a little self-care moment together. Alrighty, so for starters, the main product that I have been using is the Lifetherapy Loved Hand Cream. This is a beautiful hand cream, and I've also been using one of their soy vegan candles. It's also in the scent called Loved. It's beautiful. So let's break down when I say like loved and whatnot. Let's break down what that means. So basically, Lifetherapy loves this phrase, choose your mood, and all of their products and their entire brand itself is really about mood elevating or mood boosting fragrances within their products. So they have bubbling bath and body washes. They have luxurious hand creams, soy vegan candles. They have sugar scrubs. They have a ton of beautiful products. So we're going to go through those today. But more than anything, they have 6 different scent profiles. And the fun thing about that is when you go to their profile, once you've identified which scent profile that you like, you can just literally click on that scent profile and just see all the products that are attached to it. So it makes your shopping experience really easy. So they have 6 different scent profiles. We have grounded, loved, empowered, transformed, inspired, and energized. So I'm going to throw up a little graphic that shows you what all notes are in those different scent profiles so you have a little bit more information. So let's start off with some of the packaging. This is giving effort, and we love to see effort because so many brands are so lazy, but this box is beautiful. It's branded very well. It has a cute little bow, little ribbon, whatever you want to call it. So stunning. And it comes, mine at least comes with this little, I don't know if you call it embroidered, whatever the word is, but with this little tag here. And I think that's super, super sweet. I think it's very unique. So for empowered, it says, I am a radiant being of divine light. All that I need to manifest my desires resides within. I am fully empowered. So we're going to go through these boxes in no particular order. And honestly, I'm just as excited as hopefully you are to see what's all inside of these boxes. Because again, I've only dipped into the largest box just so I could grab the hand cream and the candle out of it. But again, packaging is on point, super beautiful. Love it. So this first product, which I'm not going to go like super in depth on every single product because I don't keep you here forever, but this is the Pulse Point Oil Roll-On Perfume. This is in the scent Grounded. The notes in the Grounded scent profile is grapefruit, peony. Is it peony or peony? I never remember. Lotus blossom, musk, and warm amber. So what's great about these is these are alcohol-free. So they are technically better for you and are longer lasting. So I have not smelled anything from the Grounded collection part of it yet. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to put that right there. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely. It's kind of a woodsy floral, and I'm not the biggest fan of floral anything, but this isn't floral in a way that's like overwhelming. It's definitely well balanced. I like that one. That's nice. Now, everything in these boxes is wrapped beautifully. So to save you a ton of time, I'm going to just really quickly like unwrap everything just so we can get through it faster. Alrighty, everything is much more situated. So I think we're just going to start with some of the like scent categories themselves, which I don't have all of them here, but I have like half of them, and that's good enough for me. So we're going to start with the products from the Loved collection, the scent profile, because it's one that I love, pun intended. This is the hand cream specifically. I've been using this for a little while now. It smells delicious. It is creamy. It's thick, but in the best way possible. It just melts into your skin with ease. It is such a beautiful, beautiful formula. I really love when products have kind of like a luxurious intention behind them, but they actually end up performing in a luxurious way. That's what I like. So with the Loved scent profile itself, your notes are going to be bergamot, waterflowers, coconut, muguet, and rose. I Googled it the other day to see how you pronounce it. It's M-U-G-U-E-T, and it was like muguet, but I feel like I'm saying it wrong because it's like I want to say the T at the end, but it says like don't say the T. But anyway, we have a skin nourishing body scrub, and you all know, or you should know by now, that body scrubs are my absolute favorite thing. I love, 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 love them. This comes with a cute little wooden spoon. Are you kidding? Now that is a sugar scrub. I love the little spoon that comes with it so much. Which, am I opposed to using my hands? No, that's what I always use when I like scoop it out of the jar in the shower. But I just love having a little spoon. It just makes me feel fancier. But smell is amazing. The texture of it is really just so sugary, which let me see if I can show you up close. I just didn't want to like spill it. Focus. Look at that texture. Oh, I love it. Next, we have another Pulse Point Roll-On Perfume. So the last 2 products I have from the Loved collection is the body wash and bubble bath and the hydrating lotion. I really am actually interested to see if the body lotion is going to have a different texture or consistency compared to the hand cream, because you could technically use both like interchangeably. Of course, it smells the same. Okay, yeah. So the body lotion is definitely a little bit thinner of a consistency compared to the hand cream. The hand cream is like ultra thick, and this is definitely less thick. But I think that makes a little bit more sense because it's like, it's more pliable then, because obviously your hands is a small amount of surface space. So like your cream can be thicker because you don't need to use as much. But obviously if you're doing like pretty much full body with a body lotion, which you should be, you're going to need to use a lot more product. So I guess it makes more sense for it to be thinner so you can apply it easier and not use as much. Smells amazing. It feels so good. And one thing that's so important to me with whether it's a hand cream or a body lotion is it greasy? No, these are not greasy at all. And that's so important to me. Nobody wants to walk around being moisturized, but also a grease ball. Not me. So yes, definitely the hand cream and the body lotion together is a match made in heaven. And next we have the bubbling body wash. I'm really excited about this. Now, don't get me wrong. Do I take baths ever? No, not at all. Will I be willing to take one? Like, to clarify, I take showers. I'm just saying I'm not like a dirty butt. I'm just saying I don't like baths. I like showers. But am I willing to take a bath to try this out? Absolutely. From the videos and the photos that I've seen, both by the brand and customers, it looks amazing. It looks like a really high level of bubbles. And if I'm going to take a bubble bath, it better be bubbly. Next up, we have another body wash and a body lotion, but this is from the Empowered scent profile. So this one is going to be grapefruit, peony, whatever it is, lotus blossom, musk, and warm amber. It's going to be the same as the Pulse Point roll-on perfume that I used earlier. So I already know what it smells like. So I'm not going to open these yet just because I already know what it smells like. And I don't want to open all these bottles because obviously I'm not going to use 6 different lotions or whatever at the same time. That doesn't make sense. Also, I wanted to point out that I did see on their website that you can get you can purchase like replacement pumps if you wanted to. And not necessarily because you'll need it for like this actual product itself, but if you wanted to grab one of like the bamboo pumps, you can use it for other products that you have in your collection where maybe the pump went bad or maybe you prefer it to be in a pump form. Also, you can buy just kind of like the flat top lids, something similar to like this right there, and put those on these types of products too if you wanted to, or again, other products. So I like that they have that because I don't feel like I ever see brands offer that when, I think that's a great option to have, to be honest. So next up, we're going to talk about some products from the Grounded lines. So these notes are going to be fresh citrus, heliotrope, dry amber, calming rose, and vanilla. So let's give this a smell. This I feel like is going to be kind of subtle. This is actually stronger than I thought it'd be. The citrus and the rose is what's pulling forward the most through these. So if you like those types of notes, I definitely think that you would like this one. So they also sent over a car diffuser. So you can put this liquid inside this bad boy and hang it in your car so your car always smells good. Now, if you're like,
wait a minute, Cody. I thought you didn't drive.
I don't. So this isn't going to work for me. But for you, it would work. But don't get me wrong. This doesn't have to just only go in your car. You can literally hang this in a closet if you want. You can hang it in a bedroom. Or like for me, I can have it here in my studio. Like there's different options other than just your car. But the intention behind it, of course, is for your car. But you do you. No judgment. So the last 4 products we're going to talk about are also from the Grounded scent profile. I haven't decided what to call it yet when I talk about the different things. I'm like, do I call it the different scent profiles? Do I call it the different lines? Because it's like they're the same products. They're just available in all these different scents. So I don't really know how I want to word it, but I'm sure you get my point. We have another sugar scrub, which again, super excited about that. Probably more excited about this than any of the products here, if I'm being so honest. But again, love the little wooden spoon. It's just that little extra something, which I appreciate. We have the Grounded moisturizing hand cream. And then, of course, we have another hydrating body lotion and the body wash and bubbling bath here. Again, I'm really excited to try all of these. As far as scent profiles are concerned, I've gotten to smell 3 out of 6 of them. And I would say out of the 3 that I have now smelled, the Loved collection / line is definitely my favorite. I think it's very uplifting. It's very luxurious. It just smells beautiful. It's calming. I just really, really like it. The hand cream, I'm absolutely loving it. I did try out the hydrating body lotion and I really, really, really like this. Again, the main difference between the hand cream and the body lotion is just the viscosity of it. So the body lotion is definitely a little bit thinner than the hand cream, and I already explained why, and it makes total sense. I am excited to try the body wash. And don't get me wrong, I don't have to use it. I wanted to clarify, it's a body wash and a bubbling bath. So it's like, I want to try it as a bubble bath just to see how much bubbles it makes, but also you can use it as a traditional body wash. And that's how I'm going to primarily use it. So I just want to make sure I clarified that. So if you're also someone like me that prefers showers over baths, you can still use it. The Pulse Point roll-on perfumes, I really, really like these. These are, for me, at least great for on the go. If you want to throw it in your bag, I travel a lot. So stuff like this, I would throw in my actual luggage because I don't like to take full bottles of fragrances with me. They're wherever I'm pointing, all behind me, because I get nervous that they're going to get broken or get stolen, and fragrance is expensive. So to have these and have it be in a smaller size, but a more impactful size, I like that. And it's just, again, it's really easy to take with you. And I really, really like that. Out of the products I've not actually gotten to try yet, though, I would say the sugar scrubs is what I'm most excited about. I love a good sugar scrub. I have them in my shower at all times, no matter what. So these products are very promising to me just on the ones that I've used so far. And also, quick shout out to Lynette, the owner of Lifetherapy, for sending this all over to me. I'm super grateful to get to try these products. But Lynette is a very, very sweet woman. She has a lot of passion and pride in her products. And I think it's absolutely reflected in the quality of the products that I've already shown you guys. So At the end of the day, I can confidently say that if you do want to try any of these products out, not only are you supporting a woman-owned business, which is extremely important, but you're supporting somebody that's actually a good person behind the scenes. And to me, that has so much value in of itself, because unfortunately, a lot of times we are, I feel like, purchasing products from brands that we think are great. And then later on, we find out the person behind the brand is crap. This is not one of those scenarios, which is great. Just wanted to throw that out there. So with all that being said, that's all I have for you in today's little self-care, decompression, relaxing, unwinding, unboxing video. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let this video ultimately serve as a reminder that life is stressful. We all have our own stresses and aggravations and crazy lives. But at the end of the day, we really do need to, and I need to take my own advice to be honest, but we really need to take a step back once in a while, slow down, take a deep breath, and find the little ways within our lives to really just take a moment for ourselves. And honestly, I know skincare and body lotions or whatever may not sound super exciting to some people, but for me, it really truly has always been something that brings me a little bit of peace, a little bit of calmness, where I just have a moment, I do my skincare, I do my body care, and in that 5 to 10 minutes, it's just about me, my body, my mental health. So please make sure you try your best to find time, however it is, to just relax and unwind and take a step back. You deserve it. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see you all in the next one.